Ah, beautiful hive here. Look at that. Alright, there's a beautiful hive going on. See how beautiful the bees are? That's their door. You see that door? It can open and close. That's their door. That's their entrance for the hive. You can open and close. If you have a small colony, you can keep the door narrow and small, like one door. It's a small hole. And then if you have a bigger colony like this one, you can make a bigger entrance, so they don't have to protect a lot of open space. So you can make the door bigger, and that is why it has the door there, to keep it small or big depending on the colony. This colony has been going for a few years now, very strong. This is a very strong hive, a top bar hive. It's a Kenyan top bar hive. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Yeah, I need to open and check it out soon. But it also has a spider. See the spider? Orb weaver. Beautiful spider. There's a little crack there, and they made that into an entrance as well. Since the colony is big, I'm not worried about fixing it, because the big colony can protect a lot more area. See the orb weaver spider? There's the orb weaver. And that bottle you see on the very bottom, the mason jar, is actually used for supplementing nutrition. So in winter, when they don't have much to eat or nourish on, I can put some sugar syrup, so they don't starve. They still have some food that they can consume and survive. That's why it's there. It really works. There's a hole in the bottom of the top bar hive with the lid of the mason jar screwed in, and then I can just screw in the mason jar. The bees can access, bees can get in there to consume the supplement, whatever it is, nectar, or honey or sugar, whatever it is. You can put it in there for supplementing their nutrition. It's good for their health. It's so beautiful. You see, that's how I build a top bar hive. Alrighty.